In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images using Gemini 2025 with cinematic intensity. This innovative tool enables you to craft stunning images with a unique touch of artistry. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can get the most out of this amazing application. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is where your journey begins. Once you're on the home page, in the search bar, type in Google Gemini. This will lead you directly to the resources we need. It's crucial to make sure that you correctly type the term to find Gemini's official web page, which is our next destination. After the search results load, look for the official link that reads Google Gemini and click on it. This will direct you to the Gemini interface. It might take a few seconds to load, so be patient. Once the page is ready, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard of Google Gemini, where the magic happens. Now, take a look around and locate the feature that says Create Image. It's usually marked with a distinct symbol resembling a banana. Yes, it's quirky and hard to miss. Clicking on this will open a new workspace where you can start your creative process. Next, you'll want to upload an image to use as a reference or starting point for your creation. To do this, find the plus sign icon on the interface, which represents the upload option. Clicking here will allow you to select an image from your device that you'd like to enhance or use as inspiration. Now comes the exciting part, creating a prompt for your image. This is where you describe the vision you have in mind. You might want to consider something like a hyper-realistic, moody cinematic portrait capturing rugged determination through dramatic lighting and texture. Keep your description detailed yet concise to give the AI a clear understanding of your artistic intention. This step is crucial as the prompt guides the AI in crafting an image that closely matches your creative vision. Once you've crafted the perfect prompt, you're ready to bring your vision to life. Simply navigate to the Submit button and give it a click. This action sends your instructions to the AI, which then begins processing your request. In just a few moments, you'll see the transformation from concept to a finished visual masterpiece on your screen. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Gemini 2025 to create images with outstanding cinematic intensity. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities this technology offers, and let your creativity run wild. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to create astonishing images with Gemini 2025.